Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Pink color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color and black color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D, letter A to Z. Let's trace A. E for alligator. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Sky blue color. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Purple color. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for rose. S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for van. W. W for whale. Red color. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Now kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for wheel. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.